Hey YouTube, here's an update for my PureFix bike check. Well, as you can tell, it's no longer really a PureFix. So, I just upgraded the frame, fork, seat post, and seat actually, and bars. So, the frame, fork, and seat post cost me $180 at the bike shop by my house. And the seat, I don't know how much it was. I actually just had it laying around. It's a carbon seat. It's not so comfortable if you're just riding, like no hands, but it's okay when you're like, holding on from here. Yeah, so I have a Bell bicycle computer. I just got it whenever I upgraded the frame. So far I've put a little over 4 miles onto my bike. These tires, I just upgraded them to, well, I had them whenever I had the old stock frame, and the back one just ripped. There's barely any tread from skidding. Yeah, I finally learned how to skid. I was actually just trying to stop when it was too high. And it's the standard 50mm PureFix rims. These are Nitto RB021 Pursuit bars. They're like $80, but they're really good. Light. Just standard chain. I think it's KMC. And 44 tooth crank. I'm gonna get a 48 tooth chain ring. This back tire, it's like slick. I don't know what it's called. Somewhere on the tire there's some branding. Where is it? I think it's on the other side. Yeah, right here. CST Super HP. There. Bicycle thing. Water bottle cage. Get thirsty while I'm riding. Illis sticker. It was like $2 on Amazon for 2 of them. The other one on the other side. 4. G&K bicycles sticker. If you're in like the North Hollywood and Van Nuys, California area, I suggest you go there. They have very great deals. I have them on each side of the rim, opposite side of the pump plate, like wherever you pump it from. And this frame, it comes with a headset, the frame, the fork, and the seat post. They also have it on Amazon. It's $155. With tax, it's $166. But at the bike shop I got it from, G&K Bicycles, they cut the fork. They installed my bottom bracket from my PureFix onto this for like no charge. So that's why it went up to $188 with tax, because bike shop charges more tax. And yeah, this was like $20 on Amazon. I think you could also get it at Walmart for like the same price. And it's light, $11 at a bike shop. And radius brake lever and radius brakes. Remove the back one. I don't plan on removing the front one, just because I can't always skid like whenever you're like too close to something. I have to press the brakes. And I'm gonna be removing the freewheel because I haven't even used it. And I put the other lights right here. They're pretty bright. So yeah, I'll be cutting these off maybe. And I'm putting I might wrap the fork carbon fiber, or just get a carbon fork and maybe sticker bomb the frame. I don't know. So yeah, that's the end of the video. So rate, comment, and subscribe. I'll make a video whenever I get the carbon fork.